Yes. Yes. So what is your opinion? Opinion we have to discuss about
Yeah,
this type of
actually, my
opinion.
opinion is simply and clear about that religion. Actually, religion there is no any matter about the religion. Yeah, I think that actually human beings, yeah, is one of the most the religions and religious powers in itself. Yeah, because we all human beings should be learned only about that how to provide the help as far as it may be probable, and actually to provide all kind of this affordables to the needy peoples, to the miserable peoples, to the compulsion peoples, that by the way actually this is one of the most that called as a wine. Yeah, by the way actually it is not such as a matter that we actually by sitting in the alone in the privacy area, actually we by putting one hand to another and actually just I will keeping on doing the meditation and praying to any lord and lordess, yeah, by offering different kind of the delicious foods, sweets, many more kind of incense as well. And so actually it is not called that's the that devotee and that worshipping. Yeah, and God will never be pleased, yeah, by viewing that. God will be pleased by only one way, that actually if you have the that sacred holy power, yeah, of mind. If you have the that sacred heart, sacred mind, yeah, you are always stand in the good state to provide all these needy peoples that sometimes actually you would have seen that actually if any peoples is getting hungry, actually he are he is suffering from the starvation.
No, no, no.
If you
Yeah,
provide the food, yeah, by
I'm
the way
not
actually if
clear on the
anyone
point.
any
If you are
person,
too happy, just like if you are too happy, and if you are eating something,
yeah.
then
So then,
your
in
soul and
according
your
to me,
inner body is
by the way,
giving the full.
accordingly, me actually this is called one of the most religions
God is
and
not
religious.
happy. God
Yeah,
is here. Only the souls are also a God.
yeah, of
As
course.
for now, if
And
you are
actually,
happy, then means God is happy.
yeah. By
If you
the
are
way,
not happy, then how you can believe that when you are not happy, then definitely you didn't remember your God.
yeah, yeah, of course.
When
So
the
by the
God
way,
will give you something,
by the
then
way,
you
when
will
will that's God,
occasionally you will start praying the gods when you are in deep faith.
and
Then you
it
will pray.
doesn't matter that he actually only by visiting to temple, visiting to mosque, visiting to
No,
church,
no, no.
visiting to
Yes, of course,
that
of course. If you
gurudwara. Actually, we can
no,
do
no,
the
no.
pray, we can do the
Yes,
worship,
yes,
we
yes,
can
yes.
urge, we can.
I'm
But
just
this is
concluding
such
this
as a
one.
place that actually why actually this place has been built up. This,
Yes,
this place has been built up actually behind the intention of making this such as a religious places by to the name according to temple, mosque, that church, many more according to their religion, that actually their intention is simple, that actually we all are the so much busy in our daily lives, and actually we are not able to find out the spare times for the worshipping, yeah, for the remembering and memorizing of that's the almighty power. So I to that actually if there is such as a holy places, then actually by getting the spare times, leisure times, then actually we will visit to there. And actually so as to that actually there has been that created so many festivals as well, that actually on the occasion of that festival, by anyhow actually we will get the spare times, yeah, according to our busy schedule by finding
okay.
out. And then actually we
Thank you,
yeah,
Ravi. Will connecting
yeah.
with us on the real
So
page, and we will discuss the vlog with the three. We will discuss more topics, but the topic was from the faith of God, and he described too much
so I
his opinion.
yeah, so by the way actually whether actually I take the name of Lord, I just believe in the Jesus Christ, I believe in the that Allah, yeah, just I believe,
Allah
yeah,
and the
and
God is the same thing. Ne?
same
So
things,
you
yeah,
can
of
say
course,
Har Har
yeah,
Mahadev,
yeah, of
Har Har
course,
Mahadev,
yeah,
Har
of
Har
course.
Mahadev.
So it doesn't matter